How to convert personal to professional account on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to convert personal to professional account on Instagram. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch Instagram app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Head towards profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. So if you already have a professional account, let me show you by converting it back to personal account first. So simply scroll to the bottom of the screen and tap create a tools and controls, and here you can switch account type first. And after a while you will get option to create your professional account on Instagram. So simply scroll down on the settings and activity page and tap account type in tools under for professional and select switch to personal professional account. And then start tapping continue button. You need to describe what best describes you and tap on button. Similarly, you need to follow the on-screen prompts like whether you want creator or business account and tap the next button. If you wish to share logins using Account Center, tap continue or not now. Then you have to set up your professional account, completely close Instagram and then reopen Instagram app and head to your profile icon at bottom right corner. There you will easily see the dashboard, and here you can easily see all the insights and your tools. That's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.